Okay, part 2 of our Coriolis CORI-FLOW flow control video. We are using the Bronkhorst FlowPlot software. What we have here are 3 lines on the graph. Red is the command signal. So red right here is the command. Green is the actual flow that we're able to achieve. And yellow is the valve drive signal, or the drive signal to the QPV electronic pressure regulator. We're setting the command just with a potentiometer. So this one's set at 1.25 volts on a 5-volt scale. So we're at should be at 25%, and sure enough, we're at 25%. So what we're going to see if I adjust this command, we'll run it up to about half scale. What's going on, that built-in software inside the CORI-FLOW is seeing the change in command. It's adjusting the drive to the QPV so that the flow rate matches the command signal. Closed loop flow control. We can go down and watch what happens. We'll go back up. And again, to give a quick idea of what that actually looks like, this is the actual mass flow that we're controlling.